had guys put the gas over here in the oil before too, and oil back there.
That'd be bad.
The saw does not work then. Okay. So back here is where you control the full choke and the half choke, run, and then off. The way you switch from each position is by squeezing the trigger and then getting your thumb and just pulling down. So when the engine is cold, you want to go all the way down. This is full choke. We also call it cold start just for simplicity. And what you do on these saws is you've got a decompression valve up here. So you press that in, that releases a little bit of the decompression and makes it easier to pull. When it's down there, make sure the brake is on. You can't tell if the brake is on by looking at it. So always just push it forward just in case. Then you go and do your first few pulls. Now this is the first time the unit's ever been started, so it might take an extra one or two. Alright, it shouldn't take that long next time, but you hear that, like it wants to start, you hear that sputter. When you hear that, you click up to half choke, also known as warm start. Press the deco valve in again, and then do the same thing. Now the only difference is instead of it sputtering this time, it's going to start full speed. So if that brake's not on, that chain's gonna spin full speed. When it kicks on, it starts spinning, you squeeze the trigger and you'll see it goes from half choke to run. So when this kicks on, we're just gonna squeeze the trigger to get it to idle down. So let's go back. All right, brakes on, deco valve's in. Pull it